another unboxing na po ta guys. So nadere ang blue nga eco bag something. It's very precious and nasa super. Dili siya Lord of the Rings. Ito ba yan guys. So Shanay! And this one last. So to put up in. So we have Smother Me. So ang kaning Smother Me guys, this is the powerful minty combination of Chubaki, Sacha Inchi, mulberry, encapsulated vitamin C and helps provide intense moisture and hydration to skin, giving it a brighter complexion. According to Yasi Pressman, like ice cream for my skin. Did you know that Smother Me is encapsulated with vitamin C that provides intense brightening and moisturizing on the skin when applied? No bleaching, no hapdi, only a minty fresh feeling no matter what your skin type is because it's all natural. You'll be obsessed to incorporate this body sorbet into your self-care routine, just like I do. O, diba no? So, kung palit ka ni guys, kung ganahan mo try, ani mura na sad mo siya si Pressman. So, ato siya abrihan. Kay mura ka na siya sa betes, pero it's good for the skin. Ito abrihan. Okay, so atong abrihan. Binti yun siya something, no? Siya, guys. It's really makuan gani mo ang paggamit niya. Yeah, ito i-try. Sa atong skin. Di siya basta-basta ang kuan ni ani guys, ingredients. Premium guys siya kaysa mahalon. But very nindot sa skin kay of course yeah, si Pressman na may kuan ni so like makuan gani man siya, dili siya greasy guys. Then okay siya no. Murag smooth lang siya, dili siya kanang greasy. Then soft mo skin. The next we have color enhancing and deep moisturizing hair euphoria. Siya. And also the other one is deep nourishing and hair volumizing shampoo hair euphoria. This is shampoo. And then the other one is conditioner. So ato siyang simhuton guys no. Di man ta maligo ron kay BE naman. Hamutan niya. And the other one is conditioner. So according sa Quad Facebook page, Venus and Mars Naturals, it's Hairful stops here. The most praised hair growth shampoo is finally back in stock after selling out multiple times. Men and women nationwide trust this formula to reduce severe hair fall in as fast as 3 to 7 days. Visibility thin and weak hair, support hair regrowth from roots, strengthen follicles and improve scalp health. Help with postpartum hair loss, stress, shedding, and alopecia, itchy scalp, and dandruff problems. Oy, perfect because I have that dandruff problems. Real results, real stories, real growth. Strong, fully hair starts today, not someday. Tap to order before it sells out again. So, grabe. You can actually order here. They have a website, and also you can please do not forget to like and follow their FB page. It's Venus and Mars Naturals with over 54,000 plus followers and established since 2008. No, so unsa pa mga paabot, if you would like to try this products, go ahead and hit the message button and order them guys.